what do you get when you put this into a old CFL bulb? Then you get this. This is a product that I didn't even know that it existed. I mean, I've seen, of course, obviously, all of the other SL bulbs, but I didn't know there were actually like different color temperatures in these SL bulbs. But apparently there are, or at least you would assume, because it's called flame, and you would expect the color to be a bit warmer. But I want to put that to the test because I've had it on before and I could barely see any difference. And obviously, because this is a very high quality channel, we'll compare it to some sort of other flame as well. But that's for later. Let's first take a look at the packaging right here, because it's a pretty standard packaging for these kinds of bulbs. The green one, well, obviously the glass right here is a bit more, I'd say, orange yellow than the other ones are, and still talks about energy savings, which most SLs do too. It is an energy saver. Not anymore. And then we have something that's in Dutch, but that sentence kind of spoils the bulb itself. It pretty much means that the flame color is only visible when the bulb is turned on. So, I mean, the glass right here is just normal white. So I guess the tubes inside are like more yellow, or the coating is, I don't know. So yeah, this is pretty much comparable to a 60 watt flame incandescent. As you know, flames incandescents are like less brighter than normal incandescents, which is pretty much the case for this bulb as well. It's less bright. It's the world's first flame bulb, yeah, and the last, because it wasn't really a big thing. And they call it like a perfect flame colored light for the living room, so it should be a lot more cozy than the other ones. There's no color temperature on here, which probably is done with a reason. But let's open this box and take a look at the bulb, which really isn't that special. Oh, almost. It was almost the end of the packaging right there. So yeah, SL flame 13 watt, 525 lumens, and still no light color or anything. So suspicious. But let's turn this thing on and see if we can actually find out some real differences between this and normal SL bulbs. So yeah, this is the bulb. Is it very different? I don't see the difference. The camera makes the difference way more extreme than it actually is. But yeah, it's just really not that different. Let's compare it to a flame, because that's the reason why I have this candle here. It's kind of similar. I know camera makes it look even more similar, but this one's definitely a bit more warm white. Obviously, flame is just a sort of I guess a reference point, because it's not actually a flame color. It doesn't mean that the color is exactly the same as flame. It's just a marketing term, I guess. But yeah, I have a different SL bulb with me as well. That's this one here. This one isn't a warm white, still energy saver. It's just 9 watts, so it's kind of different. But still, we should be able to see the difference in light color. I have this double socket right here. I don't know if both SL bulbs fit in here, but I guess if it fits, then this is the perfect way to compare the two. Also, this adapter caused the breaker to trip last time I used it, so I hope it doesn't do that again. Doesn't seem to, but the real question is, can we see a color difference? And I guess a little bit, but that's probably because this thing is opal, and or I don't know what the correct term for it was, but I think it's because this glass right here is white and the glass here is clear. But even though the difference is like it's barely any difference, just really not that good of a thing. I mean, I would expect, because I've seen like other CFL bulbs that weren't these SL types, but still other CFL bulbs that were like actually orange. So you would expect this to be a bit more extreme, but it's I don't know, not really as special as you think it is. But yeah, that's pretty much what we call the Philips SL flame. Let's put the candle in the middle. Yeah, this not really Philips' best product. Let me know if you see like a massive color difference between the two, and let me know what you think about the flame bulb. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see you in the next video.